like, talk like, looking like a lick. Ain't a last nigga try, find really what the shit saying. All black F and tucked behind the buckle. Aye. What's the deal? What's the deal? What's the deal? Your boy LB, back with another one of them things, mate. One time for the one time. You know what it is up over here, eh? Check it out, though. Check it out. Today, my nigga, one man click. Piexi, not sure, cause I'm assuming this is no talking. Cause the way they put it in here is no talking. Piexi, one man click. So I'm assuming they put the name of the song first, then the artist, or maybe that's the name of the song, the artist, and he represents one man click. I'm confused. I don't know. Piexi. Alright. Nigga, I was so confused on how the fuck you pronounce that. Piexi. Got it. I done came across some motherfucking names across this channel, my nigga. Still, Outlaw something Loke is still the fucking top one for me. Outlaw something Loke, that's still the top one for me, but clever as shit, my guy.
Talking, only action. Stay still, won't get you no reaction. Satisfaction, guaranteed. I got the dose, giving you what you need. Going broke, the only thing I fear. 365, I'm grinding all year. No talking, only action. Bear witness and follow the chain reaction. Flow by the born, but my roots come from Texas. En inglés y español, a totally different flavor. Pay homage and thankful for situations. Learn from the past to lay a better foundation. Motivated anytime I take a breath. Greater thrill from getting money than I do from getting.
Alright, you talking your shit, you spin your game. I highly motherfucking respect it. Feel what I'm saying? Cause look, most motherfuckers when they be hitting me in the DMs or the GL and the Gmails want me to do reactions to a lot of this shit, cuz. You know what I'm saying? I be bringing it to the stage. I be listening like, alright, give him a few little pointers and this, that, and the third. But he ain't got to get cut on pointers here. And not only that, my nigga, I really like that you in your own lane. They ain't trying to be super tough, ain't trying to be no major drug dealer, ain't trying to be no super baller. Like, nah, I mean, drop these Jews. I respect it, my nigga.
Sex. Care less of the world's 2 cents. Tomorrow's not promised, so I enjoy what's left. Always emotion, so I stay in circulation. No breed, a different classification. No acting, cause I'm not in Hollywood. What you see is what you get, let's get that understood. Certified, you can check my resume. Bonation, no acting, cause I'm not in Hollywood. What you see is what you get, let's get that understood. Certified, you can check my resume. Bonafide, it's all in my DNA. No talking, I just let my moves explain. No traffic, I stay in my own lane. No talking.
Yeah. I would have definitely would have loved to be in the studio when this was being made. You feel what I'm saying? Because like I tell niggas, bro, you don't need a fucking catchy ass hook. You don't need one of them expensive popping catchy ass beats, my nigga. Get in the studio, get you a knocking ass beat, get you a popping ass engineer, get you a cool videographer, nigga, go for what the fuck you know, my nigga. That part.
Only action. Stay still, won't get you no reaction. Satisfaction, guaranteed. I got the dose, giving you what you need. Going broke, the only thing I fear. 365, I'm grinding all year. No talking, only action. one, give it a loot. Watch me shoot for the 3. The buzz beater and
you know, it's something about when niggas that be 30 plus years rapping cut that game that they just become and be different, because that's how I be looking at a lot of these rappers like, damn, I wonder what the 30 plus year old rapper would say to the 20 something year old himself when he was doing this. You smell me? Because the game don't change as niggas are in it. But the more you in this motherfucker, the wiser you get. And we need a lot of OGs like this, my nigga. Just like in the mob. It was very rare you seen young niggas in the mob. It was very rare you seen young niggas that was made man. Message.
on the ones and twos, I'm trigonometry. I put it down for a fee. I want the walk, let the land and chalk. No rules, no schools. Put your money where your talk is. The real grand arsonist, setting flames to the game since way back. Street certified, building a stack. My circumference is poised, ready to bring the noise louder than the gunpowder. Going brown, how you like me now? You still wanna live foul? You jerky, perky juvenile. Stay in your aisle. This was written with thought. Cut and paste style. Smile for the cheese. Enough talking. Only action. Stay still, won't get you no reaction. Satisfaction, guaranteed. I got the dose giving you what you need. Going broke, the only thing I fear. 365, I'm grinding all year. No talking, only action. Bear witness about the chain reaction.
That shit was nice, especially my motherfucking beat. Whoever produced that motherfucker cut they thiggity thing on that nigga, no cap. But anyway though, bruh, scrape y'all that. Get in the comment box, like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, man. Tell a friend to tell a friend, subscribe to the YouTube channel. You rocking with these two gents right here? Definitely subscribe to the YouTube channel. LB. For what's the deal, and I'm gone. 200. No talk.
Walk like, talk like, looking like a lick. Ain't a last nigga try, finding really what the shit saying. All black, cat fin tucked behind the buckle.